So guys, before going with the lab session, just I would like to give overview on Docker networking. So guys, Docker networking is based on network drivers only. Okay, so there are mainly 5 network drivers. One is bridge, second one is host, then non, overlay, and make VLAN. So guys, now we'll discuss about bridge. So it is the bridge is a private default internal network. So in this network, container will get an internal IP through which they can communicate each other. Main use case of this network is when your application run in standalone container that needs to communicate. So guys, now we'll discuss about the host drivers. So these drivers removes the network isolation between the Docker host and the Docker containers to use the host networking directly. So with this, you will not be able to run multiple web containers on the same host, on the same port, as the port is now common to all containers in the host network. The third network driver is non. So in this kind of network, containers are not attached to any network and do not have any access to the external network or the other containers. So this network is used when you want to completely disable the networking stack on a container and only create a loopback device. So now we'll discuss about the overlay network. So it creates an internal private network that span across all the node participating in the Swarm cluster. So overlay networks facilitate communication between a Swarm service and a standalone container, or between two standalone container, or on different Docker daemons. That means you can establish the communication between multiple hosts. The final driver is make VLAN. It allows you to assign a MAC address to a container, making it appear as a physical device on your network. Then the Docker daemon routes traffic to container by their MAC addresses. MAC VLAN driver is the best choice when you are expected to be directly connected to the physical network rather than routed through the Docker host network stack. Now we'll go with the demo session. So guys, I have prepared a small note for the lab session, Docker networking lab sessions. Okay, so we'll execute one by one. So this is my Docker host where I have installed Docker. Okay, Docker version 18.09. So now we'll execute one by one. So first command, how we can list the number of networks available in my Docker host. So simply we need to run one command, network docker network ls. Okay, so you can see in the left side, extreme left, this is the network ID. Okay, when you will create a network, so it will get a network ID, name, and a driver. Okay, when you will create a network, that time it will ask what driver you want to use for this network, whether bridge, host, overlay, make VLAN, or null. Okay, so by default, if you are not specifying, then it will go with the bridge. Now we'll go with the second command, Docker network inspect. So this command display detailed information on one or more networks. So if you want to know the more information of a network, so you can go with the Docker network inspect, then the network name. So I'll copy this command. Suppose I want to know about one network. Suppose Docker network inspect. Suppose I want to know about this network. Okay, name is bridge. Okay, I'll give less. Okay, so if you can see, name is bridge. Okay, this is the ID created on this date. Okay, what is the subnet for this network? What is the gateway? Everything you will get from here. Okay, so if you want to know more information about a network, so if you need to run Docker network inspect, then the network name. Okay, now we'll go with the creation of network. So if you can see, there is in three ways you will able to create. First way, simply Docker network create -d, then you need to provide the driver name, then the name of the network. That is the first way. Okay, the second way, so in this case you can specify the subnet, IP range, gateway, and these are the things you can specify. Here you can create, like you can specify subnet, IP range, okay, all those things. So there is three way, depend on your wish. If you want to specify some kind of IP range, subnet, then you can go with this option. Okay, suppose you do not want to give any IP address on, there is no specific, then you can go with the plain docker network create -d driver name, then the name of the network. Okay, in this case, so it will create a network with the default IP address range subnet. Okay, so simply I will go with this default only. Just copy. So docker network create. So suppose I need to, my driver will be, suppose I'll click bridge. Okay, name of the network, suppose my demo network. Okay, so now if you can see, if I'll give docker network ls, now another network got created. Okay, now we'll go with the how we can connect a network with the container. Okay, so if any container is running, then you can attach whatever network you want to attach to the container, you can connect. Okay, so simply I will go with the first one. Okay, let me check first, is there any, if I'll give docker ps, then one container is running. Okay, my test container. Okay, simply I have to attach my newly created docker container. Okay, and newly created network. So docker network connect, then the network name. What is my network name? I want to attach my demo network. Okay, then the container name. What is my container name? My test container. Okay, now it is got connected to the my demo network. So if I'll go with the docker inspect, then the container name, then I will get, if I'll go for the inspection, then I will get network information. So guys, now you can see here we attach this container to the my demo network, right? Here you can see, if you will go up on the networking section, you will get. See guys, here you can see my demo network. So it is, the container is connected to my demo network. Okay. Now connect a container to a network when it starts. Okay, when you launch a container, that time if you want to attach a network, then you have to specify hyphen network equal to network name, then the image name you have to provide. Okay, then if you want to specify the IP address a container will use on a given network, suppose when you will connect if you want to specify IP address to a container, okay, then you can specify like this: docker network connect hyphen IP, then the network name, then the container name. Okay, then how we can disconnect a container from a network? Okay, so here we need to give docker network disconnect, then network name, then container name. Okay, okay, here docker network disconnect network name, suppose I want to, network name is my demo network, right? Then the container name. So like this you can disconnect. Okay, from a, if you want to disconnect a network from a container, then in this way you can disconnect. Remove a network. If you want to remove a network, then you have to give docker network rm, then the network name. Let me copy the command. Suppose I want to remove my demo network. Okay, so if I'll give, so my demo network is not here, not listing. Okay, because it got deleted. Then remove all used networks. So if you want to remove whatever the networks is not used by any containers, then if you want to give docker network preum, okay, so that it will remove all unused network. Okay, so guys, if you want this consolidated sheet, so please share me the mail id with the comment section so that I can share to you. Okay, so these are the commands. Okay, generally in interview the interviewer will ask. Okay, so easily you will able to give the answer. So guys, hope you enjoy the session. Please stay tuned for next videos. Thank you very much.